What if you possessed the knowledge to navigate life's most hazardous moments with confidence and clarity? Understanding key psychological principles can mean the difference between life and death in the face of danger or crisis. From trusting your gut instincts to managing stress effectively, the realm of psychology offers invaluable insights into human behavior and survival. Join us on a journey as we uncover 5 captivating psychology facts that have the potential to not only save your life, but also empower you to thrive in the face of adversity. Number 1. The power of intuition. Intuition, often dismissed as mere hunches or gut feelings, is a powerful survival tool deeply rooted in human psychology. In moments of crisis, our intuition can serve as an early warning system, alerting us to potential dangers before our rational mind can fully process the threat. Research suggests that intuition is the culmination of unconscious processing of information gathered over time, making it a valuable asset in decision-making. By learning to recognize and trust our intuition, we can harness its innate wisdom to navigate uncertain situations with heightened awareness and resilience, potentially saving our lives in the process. Number 2. The stress response. When faced with danger, our bodies undergo a primal reaction known as the stress response. This innate survival mechanism, also known as fight or flight, floods our system with adrenaline, preparing us to confront or flee from threats. However, in modern times, stressors are often more complex and prolonged, leading to chronic stress and its detrimental effects on health. Understanding how to manage stress effectively is paramount for survival, as it enables us to maintain composure and make rational decisions even in the midst of chaos, potentially saving our lives in high-pressure situations. Number 3. Nonverbal communication. Communication extends beyond words, with nonverbal cues playing a significant role in conveying information and emotions. Understanding nonverbal communication can be life-saving in critical situations. From assessing potential threats based on body language, to de-escalating tense encounters through empathetic gestures, reading and interpreting nonverbal signals is a vital survival skill. Moreover, being aware of our nonverbal cues can help us project confidence and authority, potentially diffusing volatile situations before they escalate. By mastering the language of nonverbal communication, we equip ourselves with a powerful tool for navigating interpersonal dynamics and ensuring our safety. Number 4. The bystander effect. The bystander effect is a psychological phenomenon where individuals are less likely to help when others are present in an emergency. This diffusion of responsibility can be deadly, as everyone assumes someone else will take action. Understanding this effect is crucial for overcoming it. In a crisis, recognizing the bystander effect can prompt you to take the initiative, whether by directly helping or by clearly delegating tasks to specific individuals, thus breaking the paralysis of inaction. By being aware of this psychological trap, you can ensure timely intervention in emergencies, potentially saving lives, including your own. Number 5. Mental resilience. Mental resilience is the capacity to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity. It's not just about bouncing back, but also growing stronger through challenges. This psychological fortitude is crucial in life-threatening situations, helping individuals remain calm, focused, and resourceful. Techniques like mindfulness, positive self-talk, and stress management exercises can bolster mental resilience. By cultivating this inner strength, you can better withstand shocks, recover swiftly from setbacks, and maintain a clear mind during crises. Developing mental resilience not only enhances your overall well-being, but also equips you with the fortitude to handle emergencies effectively, potentially saving your life. Understanding these key psychological facts can be life-saving. By harnessing the power of intuition, managing stress, interpreting nonverbal cues, overcoming the bystander effect, and building mental resilience, you equip yourself with essential tools for survival. Apply these insights in your daily life to navigate emergencies with confidence, ensuring safety and well-being for yourself and those around you. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Also, check out my other videos to learn more about different topics that might interest you. Thanks for watching.